Seniors, this drink will stop reflux and restore your stomach in days. Have you ever wondered why that burning sensation in your chest keeps coming back, even after trying countless remedies? What if I told you there's a simple morning drink that could transform your digestive health in just a matter of days? Today, I'm revealing something that might surprise you. A natural solution that's been helping thousands of people just like you finally get relief from acid reflux. And the best part? You probably already have most of the ingredients in your kitchen right now. Stay with me until the end because what you're about to discover could be the answer you've been searching for all along. You know that feeling when you wake up in the middle of the night with that awful burning sensation creeping up your throat? Or maybe you're someone who can't enjoy a simple meal without worrying about the consequences later. I get it. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Millions of Americans over 50 are dealing with the exact same challenge every single day, and the conventional solutions aren't always working the way we hoped they would. Let me ask you something really important here. How many times have you reached for those antacids this week? 2 times? 5 times? Maybe you've lost count already. The truth is, while these medications might provide temporary relief, they're not actually addressing the root cause of your discomfort. In fact, some research suggests that long-term use of certain acid-blocking medications might even make things worse over time. Sounds counterintuitive, doesn't it? Here's where things get really interesting. Your stomach actually needs a certain level of acidity to function properly. When we constantly suppress that acid, we might be creating an environment where harmful bacteria can thrive and beneficial nutrients can't be absorbed properly. Have you noticed feeling more tired lately? Or maybe experiencing some unexplained digestive issues beyond just the reflux? These could all be connected to how your stomach is functioning right now. So what's this special drink I mentioned earlier? Well, it's a combination of ingredients that work together to support your stomach's natural healing process while calming inflammation and promoting proper digestion. The foundation of this remedy starts with something incredibly simple yet powerful: warm water mixed with specific natural ingredients that have been used for centuries to support digestive health. The first key component is organic apple cider vinegar. But wait, before you think I'm crazy for suggesting acid to combat acid, hear me out. This isn't just any vinegar we're talking about. Raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother contains beneficial enzymes and probiotics that can actually help balance your stomach's pH levels. When diluted properly and taken at the right time, it can signal your body to produce the right amount of stomach acid, not too much and not too little. Have you ever noticed how your reflux seems worse when you eat certain foods or at certain times of the day? Now, the second ingredient might surprise you even more: fresh ginger root. Not the powdered stuff from your spice cabinet, but actual fresh ginger that you grate or juice yourself. Ginger contains powerful compounds called gingerols and shogaols that have been shown to reduce inflammation throughout your digestive tract. Plus, it helps food move through your system more efficiently, which means less chance of that uncomfortable backup that leads to reflux. When was the last time you felt truly comfortable after a meal, without any worry about what might happen next? The third component is pure aloe vera juice, and I'm talking about the inner leaf gel, not the whole leaf variety. This soothing substance creates a protective coating along your esophagus and stomach lining, helping to heal any damage that's already been done while preventing future irritation. Think about how good it feels when you put aloe on a sunburn. Imagine that same cooling, healing effect happening inside your digestive system. Here's how you prepare this healing drink, and timing is absolutely crucial for maximum effectiveness. Every morning, about 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast, you'll warm up 8 ounces of filtered water to just below boiling. You want it warm but not scalding hot. Add 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar, a ½ piece of fresh ginger that's been grated or juiced, and 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera juice. Stir it all together and sip it slowly. Don't gulp it down while before breakfast. You might be wondering, your empty stomach allows these healing ingredients to work directly on your digestive system without interference from food. The warm temperature helps activate the beneficial compounds and makes the drink more soothing as it goes down. Have you ever noticed how a warm cup of tea can feel so comforting when your stomach is upset? But here's the thing, this drink is just part of a bigger picture. While you're incorporating this morning ritual, there are other adjustments that can multiply your results. For instance, have you been eating your dinner right before bed? That could be sabotaging all your efforts. Try finishing your last meal at least 3 hours before lying down. Your body needs time to digest properly while you're still upright. Speaking of meals, let's talk about portion sizes for a moment. As we age, our digestive system naturally slows down a bit, which means those large meals we used to enjoy might now be overwhelming our system. Have you experimented with eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day instead of 3 big ones? This simple change alone has helped countless people reduce their reflux symptoms significantly. And what about your sleeping position? This might sound trivial, but elevating the head of your bed by just 6 to 8 inches can make a world of difference. Gravity becomes your ally in keeping stomach contents where they belong. Some people use bed risers, others use a wedge pillow, whatever works for your comfort level. Have you tried this yet? And if so, did you notice any improvement? Now, I want to address something really important: stress. Yes, stress can absolutely make your reflux worse. When we're stressed, our body produces more acid and our digestive system doesn't function optimally. Think about the last time you had a particularly stressful day. Did your reflux symptoms flare up? Taking just 5 minutes each morning for deep breathing exercises or gentle stretching can help set a calmer tone for your entire digestive system. Let's get back to that morning drink for a moment, because consistency is absolutely key here. You can't just try it once or twice and expect miracles. Your stomach lining needs time to heal, your acid production needs time to balance, and your overall digestive system needs time to adjust. Most people start noticing improvements within the first week, but the real transformation happens after 2 to 3 weeks of consistent use. Are you willing to commit to giving your body that time to heal? I also want to mention that while this drink is incredibly effective for many people, everyone's body is unique. You might need to adjust the proportion slightly to find what works best for you. Maybe you need a little less vinegar at first, or perhaps a bit more aloe vera. Listen to your body and make adjustments accordingly. The goal is to find your sweet spot where you're getting maximum benefit with maximum comfort. Something else to consider: are you drinking enough water throughout the day? Proper hydration is essential for healthy digestion and can help dilute stomach acid naturally. But here's a tip that many people don't know: avoid drinking large amounts of water during meals, as this can actually dilute your digestive enzymes and make reflux worse. Instead, sip small amounts during meals and drink most of your water between meals. Have you been paying attention to your water intake patterns? Let's talk about some foods that might be triggering your symptoms without you even realizing it. Obviously, we all know about the common culprits like spicy foods, tomatoes, and citrus fruits. But did you know that peppermint, chocolate, and even certain medications can relax the valve between your stomach and esophagus, making reflux more likely? Keep a food diary for a week and see if you can identify your personal triggers. What patterns have you noticed in your own experience? The beauty of this natural approach is that, unlike medications that simply mask symptoms, you're actually supporting your body's natural healing processes. You're providing the tools your digestive system needs to function properly, rather than just suppressing its normal operations. Plus, there are no concerning side effects to worry about, no interactions with other medications, and no long-term dependency issues. As you continue with this morning drink routine, you might notice other unexpected benefits too. Many people report improved energy levels, better nutrient absorption, clearer skin, and even weight management improvements. Your digestive system is connected to so many aspects of your overall health. So when you improve digestion, you're really improving your entire well-being. What other health improvements would you love to see alongside your reflux relief? Remember, healing is a journey, not a destination. Some days might be better than others, and that's completely normal. The important thing is to stay consistent with your morning drink and the lifestyle adjustments we've discussed. Your body has an amazing ability to heal itself when given the right support, and that's exactly what you're providing with this approach. If you've made it this far in our discussion today, I want you to do something for me. Comment below with the word ready if you're committed to trying this morning drink for at least 2 weeks. Share your biggest challenge with reflux so others in our community know they're not alone. Your story might be exactly what someone else needs to hear today. And if this information has been helpful to you, please hit that like button. It really helps others discover this natural solution too. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because I share new digestive health tips every week that could make a real difference in your quality of life. There's actually another video appearing on your screen right now that shows 3 bedtime habits that can reduce nighttime reflux by 70%. You definitely don't want to miss that one. Remember, You deserve to enjoy your meals again without fear, sleep peacefully through the night, and wake up feeling refreshed and comfortable. This simple morning drink could be your first step toward reclaiming that freedom.